You're scrolling through Instagram every day, watching everybody else post content while you are steady being a consumer. And you keep telling yourself that you're going to start tomorrow, next week, next year. I'm here to tell you to stop waiting and start now. Over the last 12 months, I've grown my account from 2,500 followers to 40,000 followers. And I've accumulated over 200 million views. And I'm just now finally starting to get monetized. And the only reason that happened is because I stopped overthinking and I finally posted my first video. If you've been holding back, then stick around to the end, because I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why 2025 is the perfect time to start posting content on Instagram. Reason number 1, organic reach is still alive. The algorithm has changed and it is now in favor of everybody who has a small account. Over the last few years, you had to have a large following in order to attract a lot of views. But now the game has changed. The algorithm matches your content with people who will enjoy it. Instagram is rewarding good, consistent content. Don't wait for it to get harder. There's no better opportunity than right now to post on Instagram. Reason number 2, you don't need fancy gear. 100% of the content that I post is done with my iPhone, including this video. When I first started, I wasn't focused on lighting. I wasn't focused on having a microphone. I was just posting. And guess what? Those videos with bad lighting or not perfect lighting, and that I wasn't using a microphone, they still went viral. Yes, it's okay to have good quality. If you want to use a professional camera, then kudos to you. But I'm here to eliminate the excuses. Start using your phone. Nobody cares about the setup. All they want is good content. So use what you have. The algorithm does not care if you're using 4K quality. Your phone is enough. Reason number 3, Reels and short form videos can build your brand way faster than you think. I gained over 10,000 followers in a 1-week span. I posted 5 videos that hit over 1 million views within that week. That was by far the best week that I had ever had. If you haven't noticed, every social media platform has adopted short form content. Reels have the most reach. When you post it, it goes into somebody's algorithm who is not even following you. 15 to 30-second videos have a massive influence on growing your brand. Just think of each post as a mini employee. The more you post, the more these videos will go out and grab people and bring them back to your page. The more you post, the more chances you have to connect with people. And when you connect with people, you grow your brand and you create more opportunities. If you committed to 30 days of posting Reels, watch what happens. You're gonna increase your growth and you're gonna reach new followers. Reason number 4, brands and businesses are watching and opportunities are waiting. Since I began growing my page, I've had some brands reach out, asking for partnerships, and I've earned a couple of affiliate deals. I've also been able to collaborate with some really good content creators. And now, new streams of income have opened up for me. People can't work with you if they don't know you exist. You not posting is only making you miss out on some good opportunities. And every reel that you post increases your visibility. I'm currently in the process of building more brand awareness. Every reel that I post is getting massive reach. So I am creating brand awareness and I'm attracting more opportunities because I have a consistent volume of good quality videos. Start posting now so that when the opportunity comes, you're ready. And reason number 5, you'll get better faster than you think. The first few reels that you make are gonna be awkward. You're gonna stutter, or it might not be aligned. Like if you're trying to match an audio, it might not be aligned perfectly. Either way, you have to get out of your comfort zone. Think of this as like the first time you went to the gym. It was hard to lift weights. It was hard to stay on the treadmill longer than 10 minutes or longer than 20 minutes. But as you stay consistent and as you keep working at it, you will get better. The first 10 reels are gonna be awkward. The next 20 reels will be decent. But by your 50th reel, you should be dangerous. Every post sharpens your skills. Pay attention to your progress, check your analytics, and see how you can improve by each post that you make. So stop procrastinating on posting content and get in the game. You will never improve by sitting on the sidelines. And to my overthinkers out there that are allowing themselves to be neutralized by wanting something to be perfect or not knowing exactly how to do something or, wanting to be clear about your message. Clarity comes from action. Don't wait until you're ready. Get the reps in now. So look, no more excuses. No more procrastinating. The best time to start was a year ago. The second best time to start is now. I'm not special. I'm no better than you are. I'm just showing up consistently every day and posting a piece of content. A quote that I got from somebody who is killing it in the content game right now said, "The cost of a flop is much better than doing nothing." You're gonna learn from your mistakes. Just keep posting. If I can do it, you can do it too. I just hope that this was the push that you needed, and if it was, then I need you to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment below and say let's go if you're about to take 2025 more serious and start posting content. Stop just being a consumer. It's time to create. Don't make me come back here and catch you still scrolling. Don't make me do that.